Coffee is a must-have daily beverage for most of the people. It helps people get ready for the day and makes people feel the energy again. It is best known for its unique taste and aroma. It contains many different chemical compounds that give coffee its unique taste and smell. So I'm going to talk about the chemistry of coffee in terms of its taste, aroma, and the role of caffeine in our human bodies. As for the taste, the two main sources of bitterness are the chlorogenic acid lactones and the phenolphthaleins. According to the article, The Chemistry of Coffee, chlorogenic acids are the esters of the caffeic acid and quinic acid. They are also the esters of polyphenol family. Chlorogenic acid is mostly found in the green, unroasted coffee beans. According to the coffeechemistry.com, chlorogenic acid itself is not bitter, but instead both the lactones and the phenolphthaleins that are derived from the chlorogenic acid are the ones that contribute to the bitterness in coffee. Roasting is the key factor driving the bitterness in coffee. The stronger you roast the coffee beans, the harsher the flavor tends to get. According to the article, chemical compounds in coffee produce aroma and bitterness. Roasting breaks the chlorogenic acid down to di- and trihydroxybenzenes, or simply dehydrates the acids to form various lactones to give a coffee-like bitter taste in the light to medium roasted coffee. Phenolphthaleins, which are the chemical breakdown products of the chlorogenic acid lactones, are found at a higher concentration in the dark roasted coffee. They tend to have a more lingering, harsher taste than the chlorogenic acid lactones, so that's why the dark roasted coffees tend to be more bitter. As for the smell, there are several groups of chemical compounds that are responsible for the unique aroma of coffee. According to the article Coffee Chemistry, Coffee Aroma, furans are found to be the most predominant group of aromatic compounds in coffee. They are produced from the pyrolysis of sugars and tend to give a more caramel-like flavor to coffee. Pyrrolines are the second most abundant class of compounds in coffee aromatics. They tend to give a more roasted walnut, cracker, and toast-like smells. Pearls are the ones that are responsible for the sweet, caramel-like, and even mushroom-like smells. And lastly, thiophins, which are produced from the Maillard reactions between the sulfur-containing amino acids and sugars, tend to give a more meaty aroma. As we all know, coffee is a miracle drink that gets people ready for the day. According to the article, Why is Coffee Bitter? The Chemistry of Coffee. Caffeine is the one that does the trick by binding to the adenosine receptors in the brain. Adenosine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter behaving like a central nervous system depressant. Because caffeine looks like adenosine, so caffeine is capable of competing with adenosine to bind to the adenosine receptors. When attached to the adenosine receptors, caffeine takes up all the space and leaves no room for the adenosine to bind to its own receptors. Therefore, instead of slowing down the activity of the nerve cells like the adenosine does, Caffeine instead speeds up everything and increases the neuron firing in your brain. So that's why coffee keeps people awake. As we can see now, coffee contains many chemical compounds, and all of these chemical compounds come together and give coffee its unique taste, aroma, and function.